Never did muties. Never did muties.
Dre say anybody home. What are you doing that? Lackluster. Nothing yet. Nothing. Nothing. Yo, E, you focus? Where you at? Yo, Deontay, you working?
I'm here.
Man, this shit lackluster like it ain't nothing, man. I would expect it to go up first, then come down. You at work?
Yeah. I got my money earlier.
Huh?
So yeah, I made my money earlier.
Yeah, I was expecting it to go higher, then come.
Walked out here in 2 seconds. Sorry.
There's more liquidity up top than down below. This shit like maybe around two. This is lackluster. What is it? Shit. I'd rather say take out this high, then come down. We just wait till one side is taken. This shit. This come on. We had better news last time. It did. Come on. Wow. Come push up first. Man, this thing just sitting the fuck here, man. This bullshit. Boring as hell. Right. Right, Sean. I got 18 minutes to the macro. I believe it wants up here. If I was making a market, I would want to come up here. Run this, run period high also. We've already went lower. I'm looking up here. Looking up here. I think we're going up, Hannah. I think we're going up. Yeah, I believe it wants 136 and 170. I want to yeah, I believe it wants that.
Jeez.
Yo, Amir,
Yes, sir.
this happened I think once a month. Yeah, the minutes come out. And it gives you direction for the rest of the week. It always come out on Wednesday, 2 o'clock. Then you have the minutes, and then you have Jerome Powell speaking. Jerome Powell is one of the most powerful people in we got. He can move the market anything he says. So it started at 2 o'clock, and then he started talking about 2:30. So right now he's probably talking, and his words can move his market. I believe we went up first. Get this 4 hour gap we got to fill previous day high. Macro being 20, 46, 14 minutes. It's raining. Rain. This shit boring, man. I could have been asleep for this shit, man. Miss Briggs. What time is it? 12:37 LA.
What's going on, Mr. Boyd?
Man, watching this shit, man. They could have been sleeping this shit, man.
I
They
know I
ain't
was
doing nothing.
thinking you back tested those that show the teams how FOMC work?
Nah, we forward tested.
Oh, okay.
You see it
So they'll just
live.
see it next time, huh?
Right, yeah.
Like
See
it's
it.
not a real, no real reaction.
Right. We didn't get no reaction from the 8:30 news this morning. The unemployment.
Right.
I guess niggas got jobs then, that's what they saying. I guess niggas got jobs, man. Look at this. Like I would expect it to go up.
Yeah.
To at
But
least take
it's
a
like when
135.
it might wait till Asian at this point.
Right.
Raggedy.
See, as we talk, see now I want to move.
But it's like, where's the entry?
You got that 1 minute gap right there. We haven't got nobody close below 50% of that gap. That's a hell of a hold.
Yeah.
You risk 25 points for a potential 135 user, man. And keep moving, man. She gone. There we
That's
go.
that manipulation.
Like, man, I'm glad gold is doing this because the way gold, if gold don't run the rest of the day, I'm happy. I'm happy because it'll be an inside day on gold. Right. So go don't take off this previous day high, previous day low. Hey, I'm cool. I'm cool. But this would be a hell of a move when they flip.
Yeah, when gold starts to move, it's gonna go.
It's gonna go right.
Yeah.
This motherfucker been sitting in the same range, man. Oh, look at this, man.
Yes.
Shit. This
I
thing
thought
been
it was gonna run earlier.
We've been accumulating since Monday in the same area.
That's ugly.
No, I love it. Hey, just stay here. Just don't take out this previous day low. That's all I need you to do. Stay like this all day. Because if you run this previous day low in Asian, hey, I'm gonna get my ass up at 150 because you be able to hold that thing because it should at least run all this up here. Miss Tiffany J in the building.
Going on. Hey, I still don't have access to all those indicators.
You don't need indicators.
I want the one with the macro on it.
Oh, that's easy. That's the it's called it's right there. It's called macro kill zone by Cognito.
Okay. And that's the one you can it gives you the little, it blocks off the area.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, this one right here. Yeah,
Does
kill
it
zone.
have alerts on it too?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
But like looking at price action, man, it likes it wants to go up higher, but you shouldn't have to hold this on FOMC like this. This thing should red previously high, external. There we go. External. There we go. External. Come on. Take out 135. There we go. Come on. At least take out this short-term high up here, 83. Then you can move your stop to break even. Take this out, then move your stop to break even. Shouldn't have to hold it like this. There we go. There we go. There we go. Take this out, then y'all can move y'all stop to break even. Take out 82, then move your stop. Let me see. I tell you who in this trade right now. Let me see the participants. Eric in it. No, Rami got a 15-minute. Rami might be in it. Miss Stephanie probably in it. Let me see. And Miss Sharon in it. Those three, high probability that they in this buy up right now. It should run this high right here. We should run this high. It should need the macro to run this high. It should run it. Doom, 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 doom. Oh, Miss Debbie in it too. Knowing the way trades, he was looking at this as a low and a failed low, and then he got his gap. E in that. I'm probably about 90% sure if E got good internet, he in his buyout right now. Yo, you in?
You know I trick, man.
Told you. Hey, he saw this. Then he saw this fail to run this low because this is midnight opening line. He in right here.
Yep.
And he try to get out right here and try to go higher. Because he didn't put his fears from this high to this low, and he came. Hey, he ain't trust none of this on the left side with FOMC. He just waited. FOMC came, ran up highs, came back internal. Now it accumulated. Failed to run this low. Yeah, he in right here. And he a little pissed because it did this. It did this run up and then come all the way back down. Not doing this bullshit right now. Like, come on, man. Run the fucking high, man. No, hey, and no E, it did this too many times. His entry is covered. So now it's a risk-free trade. It is what it is. If it come back, tap him out, he okay with it. It's a risk-free trade now. You done gave 2 short-term highs. Yeah, it's a risk-free trade for him. About 4 minutes of the macro. See, they make it hard for you to get in fucking options because they just sitting here. There ain't no movement. Stuff failed. Let's see. I did too much. Let's see. Miss Debbie said she covered. It's a risk-free trade. It's in God's hands now. Whoever you believe in. It's a risk-free trade. Hey, yo, E, what spot you at? Eating at?
Say what?
Where you at?
Crib.
What's her name?
You'll find it.
Is it the mother of the young lady that Amir be going out with at night time? It's her mama. Y'all double dating now? Yo, Amir.
Yes.
Yeah. Eric then came down there to Savannah. He talking to the mother. You talking to the daughter?
This is not a thing. You
That's
can
funny.
keep this is just fantasy at this point.
Fantasy. Okay. Hey, what they all say? Hey, I know your mama out here. You don't want her to know, man. I understand. As my son would say, I understand it now. I understand it now. Man, this some trash ass FOMC right here, man. Shit, that nigga done waited all week for this bullshit right here, man. Uh-oh. Your mama on YouTube, she put up the hand to her face emoji. Oh shit. Go dropping. Go dropping. Just don't take out previous day low. You can drop all you want. Just don't come down 33.84. You could drop. Hey, yo, Miss Tiffany.
Yes, sir.
If we don't take our previous day low today and we get an inside day and I would be looking for Asian and London to run previous day low and then flip. That'd be a nice move.
Okay. Okay, I see that. But it's gonna run.
Oh yeah.
When it does.
Shoo. See, my only issue is
Okay.
But my only issue, Miss Tiffany, silver and gold run together, and silver hit all-time high a couple days ago, and it's like it's just sitting up here, consolidating. This is all-time high on silver, and we just sitting.
Yeah.
But we just wait, just like you waiting on AQ. Macro time. Stop failed. See? Bullshit. Let's see what crude oil doing. 15 minutes. Ah. Trash. Better stay asleep for this bullshit right here, man. Heck. All right, what did Powell say? There we go. Pretty low.
Target fill. I wasn't looking up, I was looking down. Remember this morning I was telling you how those equal lows on the 4 hours was looking? Remember I showed you that?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I was focused on. And look, it's going to it too. That's the draw.
What time did it? 2:45. Not me, Sean. I didn't get in. I was waiting for the macro. I was waiting for the macro. Not me. See how low they want to go. That's a strong 15-minute candle.
Another day, another dollar, champ.
Same shit. Don't not change the days of the week.
Come on, man. You took that sell down?
Hell nah.
Man, what?
Hell nah.
Come on,
I'm
man.
looking
You got
up.
man the
I'm
4
looking
hour and the 4 hour and the 1 minute. Come on, Carl.
Nah. I'm looking up. I ain't looking down.
Take the bio.
Man,
Hey,
that
I'm
thing
looking up. I'm not looking down.
that thing was beautiful.
Once it started moving,
Yeah, man. Ain't nothing but time to start. I told you what the administration gonna do.
you got in right here at 45 off
Nah,
of
I
this
was in.
gap.
That's why I added. I was in before that.
Woo! Oh, you did a wiggle. Oh, hell nah.
Nah,
Hey.
man. Nah, I show you. You know I got them eagle eyes, man. I'm gonna show you right here. Hold on. Slide your NQ over to the right a little bit.
Hell nah.
Right. The DPR me. So I sat through a little bit of that rigmarole.
See, if I was in there, and I was going short, I wouldn't have wanted to see this. I don't like that. Don't for me personally, and this is me. If I'm going in the direction, don't close no gaps. And then when it go right back up again, like that's just me. If I was holding this down and we closed like this, and then I still believe it came back up again, I'd have been out. That's just me.
Nah, I feel you, man.
Because if I'm trading, I want price to go
Two.
in my direction the whole way.
The only thing that allowed me to hold it is because I see it had hit a 4 hour bearish rejection block. So I used that same sentiment on the 1 minute. Because I had my stop above that black candle right next to that green order block. Like right,
Oh, right here.
yeah, right there.
Woo, man, that nigga was woo, but was tight when that motherfucker started coming up, man. And I
Oh
always say,
man,
it'll be the
ain't gonna
first
be the
time in
first
history.
time in history. Hey, there it go,
It'll be
man.
the first time in history.
You know what I mean? Hey, if I'm
Hey,
wrong, I already heard it in my mind. I'm like, you know what? I think I saw a link. Let me come on here because I know somebody gonna be like, where that 150K at, bruh?
you full clip that thing? 0.5?
Man, ain't nothing to talk about, man. Full
Okay,
clip.
so you in 0.5.
Yeah. No. I went to previous day low though. I don't know if
Zero,
that's 0.5.
yeah,
Oh, it is
zero
on
point
the. Hey,
five.
there it is.
Yeah.
In the bio.
Only you, after it didn't broke you even because you was fading him.
No, sir.
After
We Bob. We bring me even. I got a 50. I got my 50. Move my stop up.
woo, okay. I feel you.
It got me like that last FOMC. Not this time.
Well, you 3 for 3.
Hey yo, hey, you got new accounts now?
Oh,
You
what you mean new accounts?
you going I DM you.
You talking about for futures?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got one because I had
Yeah.
I had a few of them in the pocket. Nah, I took this one on options though.
Oh.
Yeah, I
Oh,
took
you
this one
lied.
on. I took this one
Oh.
on options. Yeah, so that full clip hit different. And I put
Hold
it all on the table.
Hold on. You put hold on. So Charles Schwab got back with you?
Yeah, I just
Yeah,
had to
yeah.
wait for the processing days. Everything's a go.
Lord. Hey,
It's the day I've
hey,
been waiting for.
I got a question. Uh, roughly how much were you wagering on this? 5 figures? or four figures?
5.
This motherfucker something else. Motherfucker something else. But
Hey,
yeah,
man.
yeah. Hey, yeah, five is good. 10, yeah.
Hey,
What
man.
was the percentage? What was the percentage from here to your target?
I don't know how to look at those numbers yet. Like,
Gotcha.
what's the
What did you
percentage?
what did you buy? SPX or QQQ?
Nah, QQQ, man. I
Okay.
ain't doing that. SPX. SPX above my pay grade.
Shit, doing full figure. Okay. So which QQQ did you get?
Cheapest one I could get, man. Cause hear me out before you get on my case. Hear me out. I buy the cheapest one, knowing where my target is.
But
So then,
why not get the strike price for your target?
because when I was back testing it, waiting on Charles Schwab, I seen a couple of times it didn't quite hit it tick for tick where my target was. Does that make
Okay.
sense?
Yeah,
Like
let
if
me
I'm looking at like how all last week we've been looking at 532 calls, but one time or maybe twice last week it was like 531 point something. And I was like, see, if I would have got that 532, I'd have been pissed because I done bought it in premium. So then I would look at, instead of getting a 532, I could get it cheaper buying a 534, 535, and then still taking it to the target.
what'd you get? 528?
Nah, I got 526, bro. I told you I'm getting the cheapest one.
Five. Hold on. See, because if you look at the option chart, 528, the 0.5, that option is 528.
Right. So it may be an
And
unorthodox approach. I could get it cheaper for 526, even though I'm still getting out at 528.
okay.
It only makes sense to me because when I try to explain it, everybody like, yeah, I see why you would do it like that, but it don't make sense. But to me, it do because I could get it cheaper.
I got you. Now let me go to and see what percentage that was. I can tell you. E-Trade. Shout out to Ant Man. Hey, he heard that boy math one time on options, and it didn't change that man's life.
Hey man,
Five
day one, flip that 20 more times, man. Hey,
526. Let's see. Okay, so you got in here. It's about 233. Man, you was done. You didn't caught the bottom. That thing was like 17 cent.
bro, I'm trying to tell you.
Hey, see, no. I'm gonna tell you this. Issue you gonna have is you not when you buy that far out with that size, you might not have nobody to buy from you.
Hey, that's when you got to get that broker on the line. Like, hey, get me out, get me
Give me
me.
out. And we got 0.5 at 257. So 17 cent to 60 cent. Yeah. 17. So let's say you did 20 cent to 60. 300%.
That's all I need, bro.
Yeah.
That's all I need.
Yeah.
That's more than I could ask for right there. I just want to go 1x.
Yeah. On your first option, you didn't win 3x. You didn't
Nah,
win.
it's my second option.
Ooh.
My first one was this morning, the buyout.
Oh. Okay. Oh, so you was on the YouTube and Zoom and you heard the call out, man.
Hey man, ain't nothing
Hey
else to
man,
talk about, bro. That's
hey,
what.
I was told I ain't call it out, man. I said, nah, yeah, listen, Friday 9:30.
Man, I seen you out there with the Inspector Gadget emoji.
Eh,
London High.
okay, you're right. So you hit it
That's
100%
twice.
this morning.
Yeah, I'm done for the week. That's it. Trap
Okay, so
closed.
right, so you hit it for more than 100. So 200 this morning and 300. So you hit it for about 500% today.
Yep.
Let's just say 500%.
Let's go.
Let's go. You know that boy E gonna find make a buy model out of a buy model.
Man, it did the same thing last time, bro.
Hey,
It gave us
now,
a high resistance liquidity run. Then it took swept the lows. And then it flipped. Went for the highs.
now, without you saying the end result, it was easier to make 5 figures in options than futures.
100%.
Oh
100%.
Lord, here we go. We're going to the moon.
Swept PDL, but let's go. Ain't nothing to talk about.
Inside the macro.
Ain't nothing to talk about. I'm looking at that. I was like, well, y'all was talking. I was like, okay, I'm in.
And it gave you a nice OTE.
We looking for that little W, bro.
You took it
0.5.
out options?
No, I wasn't even thinking about it.
Man, come on, man.
Wasn't thinking about it.
This the option day. You know they trying to put us on back on that slave block this whole week.
Hey, shout out to George, man. Shout out, man. That
Nah,
man then broke Charles Schwab, man. Bank today, man. They about to ask him, what you doing out here, man?
man, shout out to you, everybody in the options AP group.
Nah, everybody on AP ain't in the options. Only you. I see, because that nigga, he trying to get on the future side. He don't understand the power of them numbers. It's a little different than options. Hey, and what's so crazy
I
is,
understand that Jay couldn't double dip.
but which one has a bigger reward?
Well, options overall.
That man made 200% this morning.
I took mine
Let's
in futures, but you're right, options is better. And I was looking at options this morning too.
now answer this question. Now, which one you take? Like you say, you made 200% this morning. So now this FOMC move, this is a risk free. He playing with the house's money, and then he in 3x the money. So that man that made 500% today. He told us he started with 5 figures. Let's just say 5 figures is $9,999.99.
Yeah, this morning was extra.
Now get your calculators out. $9,999.99 plus 500%. That's somebody's salary. Done by what? 330. No, let me see what it would have been if you'd have got the 528 put. Let's see what it is. 528. Let me check my phone. She said, just say 10,000. 9,998. Let me see. The 528 put Quote details from when you bought it was 40 cent. $1.20. Same. Yeah. Hey, yo, Jordan, what you trying to do? One option a week? 1 or 2 option a week?
One or two a week. That's it.
So on them 1 and 2, Miss Briggs, I gotta focus. Okay, on those 1 and 2 a week, are you looking for 100% each time?
Yeah.
If you get more, you get more.
Nah, it was only on this day because I know it's a big move because the press conference. I was reaching for more, but on the other days it's just 1x.
Shit, this morning you did 200% down there.
Nah, I mean I would have went higher if it wasn't for FOMC today because I just saw them smooth highs that you was looking at also. So if it happened to be more than 1x, as long as I get out at my low hanging fruit, then that's fine. But my goal is just 1x.
Gotcha. 1x, so 2x a week.
That's it.
Futures pays for the like, and what's so crazy? Like before, I used to always think like futures was better. People learn futures they would not do options, but then learning and really understanding what TFA is and the power of understanding it, man.
Yeah, I'm glad that I learned this way, and that's all thanks to E. He wanted me to learn futures first. Now, once I could learn that, then he was teaching me options.
I'll be 1000% honest with you, Jordan. Options you can be a little bit more riskier than futures.
Exactly.
And I say that because I was talking to somebody about the buy up this morning, and on the QQQ and like I saw all this, and when we dropped at 9:30, because my higher time frame told me up, my 15-minute had me a bullish CID, so I'm only looking for up. And one thing we learned from ICT is if you are bullish, you want 9:30 to Judas first, because that's gonna trap traders to thinking we going lower and we going higher. So that's why I really down here, anything under midnight is a buy. And I understand why Miss K waited for the macro.
Mm-hmm.
I understand that. Hey, yo, Mr. Wright, you on here? See you on here?
Yeah, man, I'm in here.
What up, player? Hey, yo, boy, I gotta count the point for a second payout, but it says I don't have enough trading days. So, do you got the 10th day today?
Nah, so I already got my first payout. Like it just hit the bank today, but I just got it to the point where I could take out another one. And it's saying that I don't got enough trading days on it.
Okay, so did you trade while it was being processed?
No, I didn't. It was clean today, like it was cleared. So I just traded that PM session just now.
So when you go to your account on Bullknox, it should tell you how many days you got. What is it saying?
No, I'm on like my 11th day on it.
On the one you just got to pay out from?
Yeah.
So if you just got paid out today, you shouldn't have another pay. you shouldn't have 11 days.
What do you mean?
So, meaning, were you trading while it was getting processed?
No, I wasn't. Cause
So then how you got?
I had to withdraw and I put in a withdrawal request on Friday last week. And so it came out of my PA account already today.
Right.
So
So
so it
so
had
now
already,
it's still 10 days.
yeah. Well, this is this would have been the 11th day because I had 10 days on it and then I left it alone.
Right. So now this is day one. So now you need to do another 10 days to get another payout.
Okay. And is that how it is every time?
Oh yeah. Hold on. You was thinking that you can keep on putting payout in?
Yeah. I thought like once you got it past that
Uh,
person and you keep going, it'll do it like that.
uh, uh,
Heard you.
dude.
Heard you. Appreciate you.
Hey, shout out for your that's your first payout.
Yeah. Appreciate you, man.
Hey man, go ahead and drop that receipt, man, for the people that's but scratch your name out. Scratch your name out. Because drop the receipts for the people in the back, man.
No, I got you for sure.
Hey, you just started trading, right?
So like probably
Hold on. You roster people, right?
Yeah.
And you got to pay out before her ass, man. Her ass better not be on here, man.
Man, I try to tell her she need to get a little more aggressive with it. She be doing her thing though. You feel me? Everybody got their style.
Man, I'm about to hit her ass up. Hey, man, you didn't let the people get a payout before you.
Now, respect. I appreciate y'all though too, man. Y'all done help the journey progress a lot more efficiently. So I appreciate it for sure.
That's what's up. Hey man, don't spend all that money in one spot, man.
Man, it's going straight to more PAs. You hear me?
Woo! Hey, do you got an old lady?
Yeah, for sure, man. I got a baby girl on the way.
Hey, okay, go ahead and put 500 away for baby girl, and then put buy 1,000 more in combines and PA fees, man.
Nah, for sure. We gonna run it.
I'm about to say, if it's just you and your old lady, man, you can take her out for a nice little dinner, like my dude Kyle do, man.
Nah, yeah, that's real. I ain't gonna lie.
Shout out, man. First payout. That's what's up. That's what's up. Hey, yo, Miss Tiffany.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can't stand gold ass, man. I don't want this mother. It's like,
And
man,
look
I
at
don't want you to do this,
look at it
man.
turn around. It's not even taken previous day low yet.
Right, man. I ain't want this to happen, man.
Yeah.
So once we take previous day low, now I'm be looking on the 15-minute for bullish CID. But I wanted to be an inside day just so it could be a hell of a Thursday, Friday. Hey, like I told y'all before, man, by the end of the year, it's gonna be millionaires in FW, man. Millionaires, multi-millionaires. I say it's levels to this shit, man, as they say. Ask yourself, are you gonna be one of them millionaires out of FW, man? By the end of the year? Miss Tiffany, you gonna be that? Nah, shit, but you live in California. $1 million ain't shit in California.
Right. That's like a closet.
You're right. Shit. $1 million house in California, what about a 1 bedroom? Shit. Let me see. We got 26 people on here. 26. 30 y'all gonna be millionaires before the end of the year. So about, let's say 9 of us gonna be millionaires. You gotta ask yourself, is it gonna be you? Are you putting in that work to be a millionaire? And it might be one of these teams that's on here. It could be Amir. Well, it could be London. Let me see. It could be Miss Williams. And don't discriminate. Look at NQ. Get all the way to 0.5 and drop back down.
Get that endo.
Hey, hey, as E would say, man, that's close enough for government work, man.
Amen.
Right. Oh man. This daily candle gonna be looking crazy, man. Look at the daily candle, man. All week, nobody on that bad boy. Hey, yo, Mr. Wright,
Yo, what's up, man?
you rolling with 50Ks, Bulldogs?
Yeah, the 50K.
How many you got in the hold?
You said how many do I got to hold?
No, in the hold. Or
Like,
are you just trading one, passing one, trading one, passing one?
to be honest with you, I was having issues with them at first, so I started taking it a little slower. Like I was just focusing on the one for real. And then as I got the payout, it goes to get a new one every week. You feel me? Get the payout going, and then get a new PA every week.
Okay, so you just opened up your second PA?
Yeah. I got a fresh one too.
Okay, so okay, so do you have any combines?
I got a whole bunch of them about to roll around. Like, cause I had one that I'm not gonna lie, I had before I got this payout, I had messed up one, so I was just like, I'm just gonna focus on this one. Uh, but I got like a combine coming literally tomorrow, so I was gonna try to have 3 by the end of the week for real.
If I was in your shoes and the way I do it, I would
Yeah,
trade the combines and PAs together.
no, for
I
sure.
would ain't no use you having a copier and you don't want to use it.
That's real. I've just been
Oh
trying to
shit.
get over that like trader psychology for real. You know what I'm saying? Just been trying to keep my mental right. That was what was messing me up for real. Cause I do pretty good with like the actual understanding of the charts. It was just like them impulsive trades after you get stopped out early or something. You know what I mean? Every once in a while. So just had
That's
to
what's
reel it
up.
in.
What's up? What is your method of trading? What do you use to trade? Are you what's your outline?
I've been messing with the TFA for real, and then I have like a
I know you fucking lying out play.
not for real. It's clean. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all put me on for sure. But
Nah, man,
sometimes I trade with the fair value gap with the lower time frame setup with like the 1 minute CISD with the fair value gap align,
I got you.
and then take it to a 1 minute target. 15, I be to going to the 15 sometimes, but I don't really like to when it's clean. Like I take it to the 15 when there's TFA.
15 second or 15 minute?
15 minute if it's there, you know what I'm saying? If that's first draw, like 15 minute gap or 15 minute swing high order block. Not really order block because I mean I just take it to the 1 minute highs at that point, but
I got you.
I put a little more leverage on when it's TFA, and then the other stuff I just lower my leverage a little bit.
People don't understand about that TFA, Mr. Wright, man. Hey, that should become legendary, man.
Nah, I swear you get that impulse, that displacement every time.
I try to tell people, man. They don't want to hear it from me, man. I said, man.
Nah, for real, hardest part is just staying patient about it. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, one thing when Ed had that Zoom and he went over it, one thing that really hit home for me is like understanding like the 4 hour in the daily is your bias. So if it hit those levels, I need to be looking in the opposite direction. Now the 15 minute, if the 15 minute aligns with the 4 hour, man, it is a high probability if you get a impulse move inside the macro in that direction.
Mm-hmm.
See, and the key, and one key he said, like in the macro, man, because it happens sometimes outside the macro, and it's like, man, no, I can't touch that, man. I can't touch that, man.
Nah, that's real. One of my homeboys, I'm gonna have to get him in here because this what me and him be preaching is waiting for the macros. But he's almost on his way to his first payout. He's on like his 7th day. I got him a content like 5 months ago in like December. So he's on his way, but I think he's really trying to get in here too at some point. I
Hey,
go
something about
after
that.
today. It's cool with y'all.
Oh yeah, definitely. Hey, like ICT preaches, man, like ICT, and for the longest, I really understand it. He always says time, then price.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you think about it, he 1,000% correct because the time is the last 10, the first 10 of the hour, because that's when the market seeks liquidity. So let me align with the last 10, the first 10. Like I was saying, like man, taking TFA and with options, man,
Nah, yeah, that's real. I did a little bit of options on ES yesterday. I just tried it out because that's what I started off trading before. Well, when Rosin gave me the content, I was on options because I didn't know about the futures yet. I just hadn't asked, you know what I'm saying? But I mean, it was. I don't have what I have now. Like I said, y'all went through the time frame alignment and the the CISD and everything. But I found like my favorite really because I had to perfect my. I'm trying to get my sell model better, like a little more efficient. I was just getting stopped out a lot, but that buy model. I like to take it on when you hit like a fresh 4 hour gap, fresh 4 hour PD array, 15 minutes optimal trade entry, and you got the fair value gap and the CISD lined up at once. That's when I'll be putting on a little more leverage. You know what I'm saying?
what's the most leverage you have put on?
Really, I'll just be going like 2 minutes. I do 3 if it'll give me stay in my risk parameters, but I don't put on nothing too crazy.
No, so the most contracts is 2?
Like 3 sometimes, because I'm not gonna lie, I've been getting some clean stops, like especially in Asia. The other night, I
Trash,
think I had 4.
trash, man. Hey, man. Don't hey, save yourself to sleep, man. Don't hey. If you gonna trade Asia, man, only trade the 550 to 610 or the 8 o'clock macro. The other
That's what I
ones
be
is
trading at 750, 810. That's my favorite one for sure. That 850, 910 don't move the same.
man. I had a I smacked the 750 810, but in the other ones, nah, they can have that shit, man, because it won't move, man.
Nah, that's real. I'm trying to switch jobs right now to try to give me a little bit more opportunity in New York.
I tell you one thing, mess with that 150, 150 and 250 in the morning macro. That's legendary too.
I say that. I appreciate that for real.
Like I smacked him this morning on this one. Let me break it down for you.
You said the 150, 210?
No, the 150 and the 250 macro.
Okay, okay.
So last night in Asian we took out previous day low. So it gave us a 15-minute bullish CID. right here when we got this closure at 8:30, 8:45. So I said, cool. So now I'm just waiting. All I'm doing is hunting and I'm waiting. Cause like, okay, cool, I can go to sleep. As long as price don't get all the way up here by 150 in the morning. So now my 4 hour told me up. Right, Mr. Wright?
Yes, sir.
My 15-minute told me up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now look at this beautiful move at one inside the macro. $150,
Mm-hmm.
$210.
You took it to the 1 minute high?
No, 0.5.
Heard. Heard.
Now look at this. Now look at the 250 macro. Still going up. See, but this one would have, whoo,
Yeah,
that whoo.
that's real.
Like if you want to test it out, what I would say is like look at the last 2 weeks when
Mm-hmm.
we had when and just look at it when you know your bias going into London 150. Look at how many clean setups it gives you in the 150 and the 250 macro. You can smack that and never trade New York.
No, that's real. I'm gonna be checking it out tomorrow since market closed. I'm off next couple of days. I'm gonna go through it for sure.
Oh no, market open tomorrow.
It's open for Juneteenth?
Yeah, it just closed at 1 o'clock.
Heard. Oh, that's
Oh,
a
you thought they was gonna get black folks a whole day off on the market? Come on,
Nah,
man.
I swear I've seen it somewhere. But yeah, I guess that shit was just wrong.
They ain't gonna get no black holiday get the whole day off.
Nah, we hear that.
Hey, shout out to Mr. Wright, man. First payout, man. Hey, man. Hey, yo, Mr. Wright. About how many you would say how much you had spent before you got your first payout?
You want me to be real? Probably like I think it's probably like my 7th one. So what is that? Like 1,050?
Okay. So
Let me
you
break
already
even. What you say?
you already green.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. A couple of dollars, you know what I'm saying? But it's on the way up. Because for you count combines and everything, you know what I mean? It's in the negative for sure,
But you got the information now.
no, that's what I'm saying, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'm just trying to stay consistent at this point.
Can nobody take the information from you? Oh man, we got Miss Kawhi in the building. Yo, Miss Kawhi, you at work? Let me see if she can talk. Hey, yo, Miss Timmy J, I want to go to make a lower low. That way, it doesn't have to come all the way back up there to give me the CID. I'd rather it do all that in Asian tonight.
Yep, I can see that.
Yeah, I don't like when it got to come all the way back up there because if it got to come all the way back up here to give you a CID, nah. We got a green candle now. Give me a black candle. Go lower. That way you can come down here. Hey, yo, Amir.
Yes.
Hey, these are all grown folks that's been rocking with me for about 4 5 years. They finally getting their shit together, man. I hope it don't take y'all 5 4 5 years to get y'all shit together, man.
Okay.
So Amir, you going out tonight, man?
No, I'm not.
You sure?
No.
Yo, yo, mama told me if I'm up during London, hit you up because you like to burn the midnight oil. She said, hit my son up because you know Amir like to be up all types and all kinds of nice. I said, damn, mama done told all the man business.
All right. All right. Sure. Yeah.
You know what Mama T is, man. 81, 71. We about to have the 350 macro. That's a good macro. See what it does. Yo, Miss Timmy J, you gave a master class to the girls? I hear.
Repeated everything you said.
Oh shit.
You and Anthony, you, E.
Okay, I see you out here. Nah,
Shmoney.
nah, let's see if Miss Kawhi can stay focused. You know her memory short in the weekend, her discipline. It don't take much for her. You know it don't take much for Miss Kawhi. Shit, y'all ain't even recorded for her.
I know we're gonna do it again.
Weak FOMC, man. Weak. It could have kept this shit, man. Weak. Back tomorrow. A half a day. Nah. Back Friday, man. No YouTube tomorrow. We're back Friday.